wrong time and date on iPhone fixed. So if you have the wrong time and date on iPhone, how do you usually fix it? Now you can fix it in a couple of ways. First, you can try out your country's official time or your place based on your Wi-Fi or location. So make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi, right, first of all, right here. And once you've done that, you can simply try opening the settings application here. Once you open up settings, you can simply head over to general. Once you head over to general, from here you'll find an option that says date and time. So you can simply go to date and time. Then you can turn on set automatically. Setting automatically means that you're based on your internet connection and your location, your iPhone will find out where you currently are and then set your time accordingly. Or if it is incorrect, you can try to set the time zone manually, and you can set those times manually as well. So I hope that this video has helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.